Good morning guys and welcome back to a new video, vlog 55 actually. So today the plan is to go to Redsand, train there for a bit, then tomorrow a rest day before my coach come down to Spain again after 2 weeks in Norway I think. So today will be like a mix of tempo and race day, and then just to relax tomorrow and get ready because then the boot camp starts again with him, the trainer. So yeah, the team is going home now before he come down, so I think this is the last training with them, so will be good. But before we start today's video, take a look back at what happened yesterday. Got a package in the mail. Ooh, take a look at this. Got some boxes to the hotel. Guess what it is? I think this one is the good one because this one was really light. Don't think it's anything special there. But let's check out this one. Exciting for you, not for me, because I know already what's inside. Take a look at this. We got it open. Aero helmets. Guess what color? Let's check one out. Got in here in a nice package. Nice helmet bag. Here it is, the color for 2018. What do you guys think? I picked it because it will suit my gear for 2018 good, I think, and it also looks awesome. Comment down below what you think. Okay, back to today or tomorrow, or yeah, back to tomorrow. So yeah, now I think everything is ready to go. I got my new helmet here, as you can see. It's looking good. So let's pack that together, take my backpack and let's go. Okay, then I think we're set to go. Got the Redsand backpack, the Aero helmet bag. So let's go. Are you going with us to the track?
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, hurry. David got a lot of bags in his room. Have a nice jacket. Really nice jacket. We walk on red light. Oh no. Then we are on our way to the track. Redsand MX Park. Will be a good day, sun is out, blue sky, so can't wait to start riding when we get there. Whoa, strong. Whoa, it's looking good. How are the waves looking? Big ruts, big berm, and after they look pretty good, I think. Track looking perfect. Let's go to the car. Dome.
Okay, so the track was okay?
Yes.
Okay.
So everything just looking great at the track. Will be a good day of training, so let's get changed. Also changed. Ooh. Look at that. Let's go riding. How was your riding? How did you feel?
Okay. Good
Good.
in the two first moto, but after no a little bit.
A little bit tired.
Yes.
The track was quite good. It's a little bit bumpy and difficult, but good training today, I think. We have finished with 4 out of 8 4-lap motos, so it's good. Eating some tortellini. 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 It's
Delicious.
good. Training was awesome today. Did 8 times 4 laps, so it was good. Me and David rode together, so he did the same. Then at the end I got to do some starts on a starting pad here, so that was great also. Got some good starts, I think, and everything just coming together good. Now the training session with the Kramer team here in Spain is done, so they're heading home tomorrow, I think. And then Kenneth, my trainer, is coming down tomorrow, so we'll train with him for about a week. I think week and a half or something. Not as many days as last time. This period for him is a little bit shorter. But then after that, yeah, we're heading a little bit more around, going to some tracks north and south after Kenneth was here. So, but yeah, it was a good day at Redsand today. The track was quite difficult, so I struggled a little bit, but we got a good training anyway. So got everything packed together now and ready to leave the track. So, back in the hotel. So just now, editing some photos. You see here. Editing some photos for the team. They got the photos, but I'd like to add some color to it, you know. Just relaxing before I psych myself up to do a cycling session, which I will do in about 15 minutes. So let's just finish with the photos and go for some cycling. Okay, rest is over. Let's get ready for a bicycle ride. Ready to go for some bicycling. Taking my precautions today. Got my jacket and my hat underneath the helmet, so I don't freeze because I'm tired of freezing while biking. But yeah, let's go. 1 hour, and there is the hotel. Good. So that was that ride. Was a good one. Oh, I'm sweaty. It was a good recovery session. 1 hour cycling. So now the plan is to hop in the shower, go get dinner. So see you guys after. Got some food. Whew. So then it's time for the daily question. I got some food in my stomach and it's ready to talk with you guys. Overall, it's been a great day, so now let's do the daily question. So today we're going to talk about, it's a question I get asked a lot, all the time actually, how to reduce arm pump. Arm pump is a disease in motocross where after some laps the arm starts to cramp and you can't hold on to the bars. So today we're going to talk about how to avoid it. First thing first, ride more. One thing people do, they go out, ride once a week. It's a few things that you can do also that reduces arm pump, but this is the most important. Ride more. When I have breaks in like 3 weeks or 4 weeks, I always get arm pump when I start riding again. Number 2. So this also is when you ride. Many people do this, and especially the ones on 250 and 450, this is important. Out of the turns, you sit in the corner, leaning like this, with the bars like this. Then you go out of the corner, turn the throttle on, and you drag yourself to the front of the bars. How many kilos do you think this movement is? It's like doing rows in the gym. Yeah, you pull yourself out of every corner. Every lap it's like 12 corners you do this, and it's like 50 kilograms. So try to do that in the gym. Go to the rowing machine, put 50 kilos and drag yourself like this. Yeah, you can get arm pump then also. So one thing I want you to do is when you get into the corner, sit down and the chin over the bars. It helps so much. When you already are there, when you're going out of the corner, then you don't need to drag yourself over the bars. Number 3 is don't train forearms that much in the gym. It's a little bit hard to do because, yeah, when you're training pull-ups and stuff, you always use the forearms, but try to avoid it as much as you can possible, and just don't train to get huge forearms. And 4, I haven't tested it, the forearm strong, maybe it works, I don't know. So the 4th is a bit in a question mark, but if it works, why not try it? If you have done 1, 2 and 3 and still have arm pump, you can try the forearm strong or other things that they recommend out there. And also you can do the operation, because what's the problem, I think, I'm not sure, is that the muscle is inside of a pipe. When the muscle get pumped up into the tube, then it's cramps in the arms and you can't hold on to the bars anymore. I think that's what it is. I'm not sure, as I said, but that's what I think. But yeah, that's the question for today. So yeah, I think that was a good daily question. I hope it answered your requests. I've seen a lot of comments with how to avoid arm pumps. So yeah, it was finally time to talk about it in a video. I'm no scientist, so this is just some tips I have and I want you to try out, and maybe it worked for you, maybe not. But I think step 1 and 2, the out of the turn and ride more, is the most important. But yeah, I think this is enough for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and until next time, full gas! Bye!